Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. The expert told which parts of the chicken should not be eaten. Chicken meat is a common staple in almost every kitchen, however eating some of the poultry can negatively affect the human body. The subportal reports. So, for example, a chicken tail contains a large number of parasites and bacteria. In addition, you should not eat chicken lungs, since they also accumulate parasites and bacteria that cannot be destroyed even by heat treatment, since they are resistant to high temperatures. If they enter the human body, it can cause discomfort. A chicken head can accumulate substances hazardous to human health. In addition, the skins of a bird has practically no useful properties. It contains a lot of fat, and its surface is also a habitat for parasites and bacteria. The most popular part of chicken is the loin, and it is also the most dietary part. But you need to remember that chicken fillet must be properly peeled and properly cooked in order for it to remain healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.